this video, I'm going to share with you on how you can create an amazing Twitter content lineup for free using an amazing app called Canva. Now, I've spoken a little bit about Canva already in these videos, and I think it's one of the best content creation platforms, especially when you're getting started. You can create rich professional content absolutely, in minutes, and it's really easy to use. So let's jump in and have a look. So I'm going to go to canva.com, canva.com, and sign up for a free account, all right? And once you've signed up for a free account, simply log in. So I'm going to log in with my account and my details. And when you have logged in, you've got options. Now, Canva is good for designing anything, but particular social media. So when I click on create a design, I am faced with these options here. So if I go to create a design here, I've got, stuff for print, but the one I'm interested in is down here, social media. So I've got all the other social media networks, but the one I'm going to choose is Twitter. So you can see here, I've got a Twitter post, a Twitter header. So I'm going to choose a Twitter header. And then it opens up the perfect dimensions for you, all set up, ready to go. Now look at this. You've got templates you can choose from here yourself, which are really cool, really amazing. Look at them. They're all free. All of these are still free. You can see they're free because it says free in the bottom right-hand corner when you hover over one. All right. You can go to photos and choose their stock photos. You can add your own photos. You can add elements. You can add text, background images, and other colors and things like that. You can upload your own images and so on and so forth. So I'm going to just choose a template and choose something that is remotely similar. So let's go for this one. And let's go for Twitter marketing or something like that. I'm going to move that up and get your free guide below. I'm going to change that font because no one can really read it. So let's go with this one, Illyrian Heavy. So it's nice and clear like that. And let's just say I'm going to insert a picture. So this laptop, like so. There we go. All right. So it's as easy and simple as that. And then you can create professional designs for your content, for your banners, for absolutely anything. So I thoroughly recommend you give it a go. It is a free account, all right? So you don't need to pay any money. They have a pro version, but truthfully speaking, you probably won't need it. When you're ready with your design, the beauty is you can either publish it directly to Twitter, but what I would do is I would download it first and then upload it to Twitter myself, okay? Also, another top tip is everything gets saved. You can see here all your changes have been saved. And if you under your designs, so you've got a little section here where it's called your designs and all your designs right here. And you can see here, if you download the Canva app, you will see that all your designs appear there, so you can download them directly from your mobile straight onto your Twitter account. So here's another design that I created. Look at this, really professional, really slick, absolutely fantastic. So I thoroughly recommend you give it a go. You won't regret it. It is an amazing tool. So check it out. That's canva.com. And I would definitely use this to create as much content as you can because it is really, really professional, slick, and it's going to make your life a lot easier when you are creating this content for all your accounts.